Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Brian Elberg here. We're going to be looking at some radar data today. We're going to have get rid of that. Anyway, uh, we are expecting a weather changing next couple of days. We might see some rain chances um, during our um, that event. Let's go to the radar right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Um, I'm going to use AWIPS. The old AWIPS that National Weather Service uses. So let's go check into that. If I can get my other phone on YouTube here. And we're going to go ahead and go to there for just a second. And phone flashes. Let's see here. Let's go to video. Let's click. There we go. Now we can go ahead and see what's going on here. Okay, there we go. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Maybe, yeah, y'all can. Yeah, y'all can. Yeah, I can. Okay, so I'm going to have to take a look here. Let me scoot this back for y'all so y'all can see a lot better. There we go. Now, the Weather Service is talking about there's a awakening to this heat wave, which is a good idea. The Weather Service is saying we might have some rain chances coming in within the next week or so. Let me show you the forecast real quick, and let me show you. Let's go to Weather Underground. Underground is really good for forecasters. Let's see here. So yeah, starting Thursday and Friday next week, we might see some rain showers within the next week. Finally, we're getting some relief from this heat wave. It is tremendous out there. This heat wave has become really bad here lately. So that's what's going to happen with these rain showers. It's going to cool us off just about 5 degrees. You might never know. So, but the radar is, let me show you the my radar here. If I can pop it up. There we go. This is my radar app. I'm using the AWIPS as the original radar. If y'all don't have my radar app, download it. It is really, really good tool to use for severe weather. Wow, look at this storm here. It is intensifying. Oh, look at that hook. Wow, look at that. That's interesting. These storms are really interesting to watch on these radars. Let's take a look at the Gulf Coast. Oh, looky here. We got ourselves a low tropical storm development right there. And we got some of this here. But hopefully, all this might probably blow over this direction. Hopefully, we do get some rain because we need it badly here in the state of Texas. What's our temperature look like? Wow, look at this. Temperature has gone completely nuts. Oh my gosh. Texas is overheating there. We definitely got to get some cooler temperatures. Okay, so that's what's going on. So, um, man, we definitely got to continue. I like that. That's really cool. You can see the temperatures through the storms. But we will turn off the temperatures because we're not going to go look at that right now. But here's the forecast for our weather for now. Uh, this is not our forecast office there, but this is somewhere up here. But here is something right here that we need to. So Bastrop County is 87 degrees. The highest temperature between now and 4 o'clock. We might see some 99-degree mark. Air quality is good. But look at here. Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and possibility Tuesday, the rain will increase up to 90%. So we will see that. Let's see. Come on. Are you not letting me see the? Oh. Okay. So it's going to increase up to 40% between around now and 4 o'clock on Friday afternoon. The one reason I do like about my radar is I like the way the map is. Look like it's like a real AWIPS color. So if y'all remember the AWIPS map, let me see if I can get that thing pop back up here. If y'all remember this, let me get rid of that example tag there. This is almost exactly like my radar app from this here. So we're gonna shrink that down some just a tad bit. But we are going to be watching the radar on this radar here. We got two supercells that is developing towards the north and the northeast. People up there should take exercise caution with these storms. You might never know. Make sure you listen to NOAA Weather Radio. Make sure you listen to the Facebook or TV or any outlets that y'all have in your house. Take that exercise cautions now. The storms that is on top of you had a lot of wind gust. If I can change the color, let's see here. Let's go to high res. So yeah, this is what. Let's see here. If I get it turned there, I don't like that. Okay, so let's go back down here. We're gonna go to this guy. So yeah, so if y'all see this storm here and this storm right here, y'all can see the hail in this storm. There's hail core in it. The hail can reach up to baseball size or grapefruits. Baseball size hail can really hurt a human being if they're outside. And also damage your cars. Most people, let's see, we got a report semi blown over on US 231 in Rockport. Wow, that's not good at all. Um, People should never drive out in this weather unless they're making deliveries. Measure wind gusts up to personal weather station. Wow, that's really cool. You can get weather station on this map. That's really cool. I never seen like that before. Okay, let's go back to the other radar reflectivity. Let's see. Let's go to this is the radar reflectivity here. Let's go to down here and go back to this guy. This is the guy that that we're watching. Yeah, you can see the hell core in this sucker. Look at that pink. Look at that pink there. That is not good in the storms like that. So, satellite is showing we got some real little bit upper level low disturbance. So we will keep an eye on these two storms. The greens is showing moisture, and the blue is showing what's it called? No, green is precipitation and blue is moisture. So the oranges you see down here is high, dry, warm air. So we will be continuing watching this satellite here. This is also a 4-panel. It's called dual polarization. So we will see what's going on here. Ain't much going on with this radar. But yeah. But I like this radar right here like that because I can see what's going on. So we're going to go back to the other. Yeah, we'll just leave it like it is. Hold on just a second. Just a moment, folks. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's not good at all. We're going to go back to the. Yeah, let's go back to the other radar. I like that one better. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Yeah, I like that better. This kind of reminds me of particular app on the one of the apps that I like that I have it on my phone. It's called Storm Shield, and the Storm Shield is almost exactly like this color. So that's why I like this one a lot more than those other reflectivities. So anyway, let's talk about one other radar that we will use, and this is for the only this is the only radar that I use only. So let's take a look at this. This is called the velocity display, and I have one over here too as well. This one I use for the winds, and this one here is for the tracking the rotation on this particular Doppler radar system. If y'all can see my other phone recording the screen here, y'all will see that. So I need to get different technology here. Anyway, the reds is telling you it's moving away from the radar, and the greens is telling you it's moving towards the radar dish from the Doppler radar system. The If there's two colors next to each other, that's indication of a tornado has been reported on the ground from the Doppler radar. So if you see reds and greens, that's an indication of a tornado. These light colors over here is telling you nothing. So reds and greens is what you're looking for. So that's an indication over here. If we see reds and greens next to each other to this here, that's an indication of a tornado on the ground. That's a good combination for us to issue a warning. I'll show you an example of that right now. So when the warning goes out, this is how we do it. And so we will take this, drag me to the storm, and then you get the polygon hash drawn. We can pull in our warning box. And we're pulling in our warning box right about here. And we got to track it too. And track it is very important. So, yeah. It's following the perfect track. So let's say if we issue a tornado warning, all we do is go to this software here, and we're going to pull that sucker down so we can see. Let's say we want to issue the warning for 45 minutes. Doppler radar indicated a tornado, quarter size hail. We will not issue a tornado emergency until there is a tornado on the ground. Especially F5s, especially F4s. It all depends on the tornado size, you know. That's why tornado emergency is so important. Large violent tornado can be reported. So yeah, and this is what we create text, and then this is what we get on our computers. So it doesn't go out to the public unless if I send it on Facebook or Twitter or someplace other than social media. So this is what we get. We will have to highlight and copy this, all of that. Select all. And what we do is we copy that, and then we go to here, and then we will fix it all up and everything, and we will change the T to O. Just like that. And then we will erase the test. And make it a real warning system. Anyway, but that's how we do it. And it will go out to Facebook, but will not go to our weather radios. The original weather service will do that for us. So to get rid of the warning tag there, just click and then just undo, just like that. So That's how it's done. I need to get rid of that thatched field. What about this guy? Oh, he's good. Okay, good. And we will set our size length. There we go. Now we will size it up just a touch. There we go. So that's our velocity display and satellite displays. We will review the temperatures and everything else, but the only way we do that is to go up here, add another map, and then we'll go to here. That is our temperature map, folks. Look at that. So let's see here. We will magnify it a little bit more. And then we will set the cities that's in these temperatures. But we will not put no roads out on this because that will mess it up terribly. So let's show you how we do this. Okay, so we will do that. And we'll do this. Change the color on the... Most meteorologists don't use city or county map on county for these things. They don't let me show you. They don't use these here on their maps. Some of them do, some of them don't. I don't know why they don't do it. I guess they know the state or the county they lived in or whatever. But that's just kind of stupid to me. Because I don't know why they don't do that. I use county words all the time on these maps because I like to know where the storm is going. If it's going to my area right here or my old hometowns, I will have to go to the warning and alert those people. Because tornadoes are bad. They're really bad. Okay, so here's our temperatures. Let's get them a little bit bigger than that. A little bit more bigger. There we go. Williamson County is 84 degrees. So Leander, I don't know what y'all's temperature is. Bastrop County is not under these temperatures. Giddings is 86 degrees. Some areas are in the 80s and 90s. Some areas are in the 60 and 50 degree range. Wow, this whole entire area is in the 50s. Dang, they got a good weather up there. Some of us are in the 70s and 80s and 90s. Wow. Oklahoma is in the 90 range too. Wow. Just wow. So that is our So yeah, that is what's going on with our temperatures tonight or this evening or this morning. Anyway, but that's how we use our forecast map. But some of these are just like, if I can turn those off real quick. There we go. So, but these green things that y'all see here, that is our surface plot map here. That is our temperatures and dew points. On what these are here, but I'm not sure. But yeah, but that is how we forecast our weather and stuff. So, the weather is just weather, you know. So anyway, but I'm over time. Anyway, but I hope y'all have a great rest of the day and everything. Hopefully y'all have a wonderful morning. Stay cool out there, and we will do this again whenever. So anyway, I hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe and stay cool. It's damn hot out there with this heat wave. It's like a 200-degree oven outside. Um, anyway, all right. Y'all have a great rest of the day. I'm meteorologist Brian Ellenberg signing out.